Good afternoon, students. Have a nice day. Students, next point. First, I will take the revision of this point. What happens, students, when sunlight fall at this point, then it also fall on this point also, and from due to multiple reflections and due to water and due to mirror, the sunlight split into 7 color, and this 7 color is fall on this paper like a rainbow. Okay, students. Now the working of the eye. What is inside our eyes? We see things only when light coming from them enters our eyes. Eye is one of our most important sense organ. It is therefore important to understand its structure and working. Our human eye is a very very important sense organ. ठीक है? Skin, okay, ear. These are two sense organ, and the most important sense organ is the eye. The eye has a roughly spherical shape. The outer coat of the eye is white. It is tough so that it can protect the interior of the eye from the accident. Its transparent front part is called cornea. Okay, student, this is the cornea. Okay, student, look at this. This is the cornea. Okay, students, and the outer part of the eye is very tough. When any object strike on the surface of the eye, okay, the eye is protected due to this white covering. Behind the cornea we find a dark muscular structure called the iris. Okay, behind the cornea there is the iris. Okay, this is the iris. This blue part is the iris. In the iris there is a small opening called the pupil, and the iris opening called the pupil. The size of the pupil is controlled by the iris. Okay, this is the pupil, and the size of the pupil is controlled by what? Iris. This is the iris. Okay, students, this green part is the iris. The iris is that part of the eye which gives it its distinctive color. When we say that a person has a green eyes, we refer actually to the color of the iris. Okay, look at this eye. Okay, this green part, we say that the person have green eye, means this is not true. Only the structure of that iris, only the person's iris is of green color. Due to this we say that the person have green eye. Okay, the iris controls the amount of light entering into the eye. Let us see how. Okay, what is the function of iris? Iris control what amount of light is enter in the eye. Okay, in what way? When, okay, this is the activity. In activity, what is in this activity? Imagine that here is the, okay, here is the torch. When you fall light of the torch on the eye, then what happen? The iris, what is the working of iris? Then the iris increase its area and it decreases the area of this black part, and this black part becomes smaller when directly any light fall on the surface of the eye. Okay, students, and when you go any place where there is so many dark, okay, and when you go in the dark room, then what happen? This black part increases its area, and due to this the maximum light fall on this part, and due to this we see in the dark room also. Okay, this is the black part. Due to this black part we can see in the dark room, and we can see in so many sunlight. Okay, in so many light. Caution for this activity. I will tell you this activity now. The next point. Behind the pupil of the eye is the lens, which is thicker in the center. What kind of lens is thicker at the center? Recall what you learn about lenses in class 7. The lens focuses light on the back of the eye on the layer called the retina. Okay, now look students, this is the lens. Okay, this is the convex lens. Okay, why this is the convex lens? Because the diameter of this lens is high and the center part of this lens is thick, due to which what happen, when light fall on this lens, the maximum light is transfer from this lens and the light fall on this surface. Okay, this is the surface of retina. This whole surface is the surface of retina. Okay students, the retina contains several nerve cells. What contain in retina? Retina contains several nerve cells. Sensations felt by the nerve cells are then transmitted to the brain. Okay, in this retina contain nerve cells, and when the sensations of any object is found by these nerve cells transfer that sensation into the brain with the help of optic nerve. Okay students, you understand what I said? There are two kinds of cells, cones which are sensitive to bright light and rods which are sensitive to dim light. Okay students, cells in the retina are of two types. First is the cones and second is the rod. Cones which are sensitive to bright light. What is the working of cones? Cones are very sensitive to bright light, means cones. And next is a rods which are sensitive to dim light, means it only active when dim light fall on it. Cones sense color. At the junctions of the, what is the functions of these cones? Cones sense color, means cones understand color. At the junctions of the optic nerve and the retina, there are no sensory cells, so no vision is possible at that point. This is called the blind spot. Its existence can be demonstrated as follows. Look at this point. Okay student, this point is a blind spot. Okay, where when the image is made in this retina, but the image is not made at this point because at this point so many nerves collected here, and due to this here the image is not made. Okay, and this point is the blind spot. Now this activity 16.9, make a round mark and a cross on a sheet of a paper with spot to the right of the cross. Okay, take any cardboard and take one center part, make black spot here and make cross here. Okay, on this white paper. Then what? And behind the white paper stick the cardboard. Okay, hold a sheet of paper. The distance between two marks may be 6 to 8 centimeter. The distance between this cross and this black circle is 6 to 8 centimeter. Hold a sheet of the paper at an arm's length from the eye. Close your left eye. Okay students, what? Look at this cross, and then what? Look continuously cross and close your left eye. Okay, close your left eye and look at this cross with your right eye. Okay, move the sheet slowly towards you, and at looking with this cross, move the sheet move this sheet to your right eye. Okay, and when you doing this, do this activity very 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 slowly. Okay, keeping your eye on the cross, what do you find? Does the round mark disappear at some point? Okay, after some time this round mark is invisible when you do this activity. Okay, when you close your left eye and looking at this cross, and towards while looking you move that cardboard towards your eyes, then what happen? After some time this black spot is invisible. Okay students, does the round mark disappear at some point? Now close your right eye, and now the next activity, close your right eye. Okay, first you close your left eye while seeing this, and now close your right eye, and while closing your right eye, look at the round mark. Now repeat this activity. Okay, close your right eye. Okay, and with your left eye look at this black spot, this black circle, and while look and move this this cardboard to your towards your eye. Then what happen, after some time this cross is invisible. Okay, why this is happen? This is happen when you looking at this point, and when you look at this point and make your cardboard closer to your eye, then what happen, this point is going at some time, after some time this spot is this, when light fall on this part, is transferred and go at this point. Okay, that is the blind spot. And when light fall on this point, then what happen, we can't see this black spot. Okay, same when we now the next point is, the next activity is, when you look at this point and close your one eye, and when you while taking the doing this activity, when you move your cardboard to your eye, then what happen, this point image is made at this point. Okay, that is the black spot, and that is the blind spot. Okay, this is the blind spot, and when image form on the blind spot, it can't see by our eye. Okay students, now the impressions of the image does not vanish immediately from the retina. Okay students, now the I will tell you the next point. Its existence can be demonstrated as follows. The blind spot existence demonstrated as follows. The impressions of an image does not vanish immediately from the retina. It persists therefore about 1 to 16th of a second. So if still image of a moving object are flash on the eye at a rate faster than 16 per second, then the eye pursue this object as moving. Okay, when any object which is 1 minute students, I will tell you this point one more time. The impressions of the image. Okay students, I will take this point in the next video. Okay, now bye students.